What if money worked for you instead of you working for money? This is the power of passive income. Imagine a life where your finances aren't tied to the hours you clock in, but rather the smart decisions you've made. That's what passive income offers, a path to financial independence. And in this video, we're going to share quick, actionable tips to help you generate your own passive income. So, are you ready to put your money to work? Let's dive into these top passive income ideas. Tip number 1, turn your hobby into an ebook. Now consider this. You've spent years mastering your hobby. You've accumulated a wealth of knowledge and experience. Why not convert that expertise into a nifty ebook? Creating an ebook about your hobby is not only a fantastic way to share your passion with others, but also a lucrative avenue for generating passive income. Platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing have made it incredibly simple to self-publish your work. You craft the content, they handle the distribution. It's a win-win. Here's the best part. Once your book is published and available for purchase, you'll earn royalties. Yes, even while you sleep, people around the globe could be buying your book, padding your bank account. This method of passive income allows you to reap the benefits of your initial effort for a long time. So, why not share your knowledge with the world and earn passive income in the process? Tip number 2, rent out a property. Now this is a classic passive income strategy that has stood the test of time. It's about purchasing a property not for you to live in, but to rent out to others. The key to success here is all about location. A property in a sought-after area can command high rental rates and keep those income checks flowing in. But it's not just about the location. You also need to consider the ongoing costs of property management. This could mean hiring a property manager or doing the work yourself. The beauty of this strategy is that once you've set everything up, the property can provide a steady stream of income every month. Yes, the initial investment can be quite high, and there's time and effort involved in maintaining the property, but when done right, it can be a consistent stream of passive income. The time and investment can be substantial, but the payoff can be a consistent stream of passive income. Tip number 3, invest in the stock market. Now, this might sound intimidating, but don't worry, we're here to break it down. Investing in the stock market is like becoming a part owner of a company. When the company does well, so do you. There are different ways to participate in the stock market. One of these ways is through stocks. When you buy a stock, you're buying a piece of a company. If the company's value increases, so does your piece. This is what we call capital gains. Another way is through exchange-traded funds, or ETFs. These are baskets of different stocks which can help diversify your investments. You're not putting all your eggs in one basket, so to speak. Index funds are another option. These are like ETFs, but they mimic a particular stock market index, like the S&P 500. The idea here is not to beat the market, but to match it. Now let's talk about dividends. Some companies share their profits with their shareholders in the form of dividends. This is a great way to earn passive income because you get money just for owning the stock. Remember, investing in the stock market isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires research and sometimes consultation with a financial advisor. But with proper planning and a little bit of patience, the stock market can be a great source of passive income. And there you have it, 3 actionable tips to generate passive income. Let's do a quick recap. First, we discussed how you can turn your hobby into a cash flow by writing an ebook. The digital world is at your fingertips, and your passion could be the next bestseller. Secondly, we explored the idea of renting out a property. Real estate can be an excellent avenue for steady income, and it doesn't always require a hefty upfront investment. Lastly, we delved into investing in the stock market. While it may seem intimidating, with proper research and a bit of patience, it can be a significant source of passive income. These are just a few ways you can start building your financial freedom. The key is to take action. Start small, be consistent, and most importantly, be patient. Remember, the best time to start is now. Start small, be patient, and watch your passive income grow. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial tips.